I haven't had the hiccups in a while, but I just got them a minute ago, so I figured I would give you guys a little hiccup video, at least while I have them. I tend to not get the hiccups very for long, you know. When I get the hiccups, they're pretty short. I only have them for like a couple seconds, a minute, you know. But these ones were going, so I thought I would record because I haven't recorded a hiccup video in a while. My fiance had the hiccups when we were going on a walk a couple days ago, and they were so loud and, I'm not gonna lie, a little annoying. So I was like, I wonder if you guys would like his hiccups, because they were very loud. What do you guys like about hiccups? Like, what is it? You know, what do you like to see in a hiccup video? Also, can you tell if the hiccups are fake? Like, I thought about trying to make a hiccup video where I was kind of just like forcing the hiccups, but I was wondering, like, could you tell if they're like fake or not? Oh my gosh. And also, do you know what like makes the hiccups happen? Is it like a lack of oxygen? What's going on here? I am in the middle of doing laundry, so that's annoying because I can't do laundry and hold the phone up for my hiccups, you know? So how am I supposed to fold laundry? Help! This is a pretty long one. This is almost 3 minutes of hiccups, you guys. You got a good one today. What about up here? Now I can do laundry. But I think my hiccups might be gone now, so yeah. Hiccups are officially gone now, so you're welcome. Answer my questions. First, let me know what you like about hiccups. Second, let me know if you can tell when people do fake hiccups. And third, like, tell me what kind of videos you want. And if you feel generous, ask me for my Cash App.